Oh my God, these curls are perfection.
That's because you get what you set.
Oh, is that a saying?
Yeah. Flick out.
Okay.
Flick out. Hey everybody, I'm Dean Banowetz, Hollywood hair guy. I dare Dayna to do a drag wig. Born and raised in Iowa, one of 15 kids. I'm lucky number 13. How do you stand out in a crowd of 15 kids? So that's kind of how it all started, really. Braiding tails on cows when I was supposed to be milking them. Being a part of the LGBTQ+ community is really important because in Iowa, it did not exist for me. When I moved to LA, that community really kind of opened their arms and brought me in. It was a level of comfort I don't think I've ever felt before in my life. So I'm working at American Idol. It's a hot ticket. Every reporter wants to get in. One of my friends got in, and this reporter called me the Hollywood hair guy. And that night I literally went home, went online to register that trademark, and I have had that ever since. Shows that I've worked on, I have really loved in LA. I'm on the team for The Voice. I was on the team for Dancing with the Stars, So You Think You Can Dance, World of Dance, America's Got Talent, and the list goes on, but my sweet spot is competition reality.
This is like Marge Simpson. Homer?
Every time I was on set, I was like eye hustling everybody to see what they're doing. And I was like, there has to be a class for this. And that's why I decided to literally create the Hollywood Hair Guy Academy that teaches people how to do hair for TV, film, stage, and fashion.
Dean is one of the most colorful guys you ever met. Not only does he decorate his beard for almost every holiday, you also have a Guinness Book of World Records.
I got second place in the national competition, and the World Beard and Mustache Championship got canceled, but I wanted a world title. So I decided to break the Guinness Book of World Records for most bobby pins in my beard, 4,831.
So this is actually a wig oven, right?
Yes, this is used in a lot of theaters, and so we have to manipulate plastic wigs.
Okay.
And we steam them with
my gosh.
a closed steamer. Just think of a hooded dryer, but for 9 wigs.
Clearly the pink wig is for me.
Yes, and the one is for me. They're synthetic wigs, so it's just a plastic fiber.
Keep going?
Just keep going. Just pretend you're a little kitty and you're licking. Kitty lick, kitty lick. Kitty lick.
I mean, I'm from Texas. I should know how to back up.
You look so tired, I'm worried. You know it's true.
Why is this so satisfying? Look, come watch. Look.
Hey, you.
Only using this part of the brush.
Oh.
Keep pushing through.
After the kitty lick, we do just a light grazing over the top because we really want to smooth this down.
Glide.
Now watch me.
Okay.
We're gonna roll.
Oh, dear Lord. Take a look. Do you love it? Now for the reveal. I am Shady. Get it? Shady? Okay, dare complete. Now I'm all dressed up and no hair to go. Get it? But this was anything but a drag. Dean, I love you. Thank you.
Thank you. This was great. You did a really good job. You should be really proud of yourself.
Mwah.